Oil-free scroll air compressor, no valve and no maintenance. Scroll air compressor features and benefits: oil-free and contaminant-free air, continuous operation and 100% duty cycle, low sound levels and low vibration, compact, less moving parts and high efficiency. A scroll air compressor uses two scrolls to pump and compress fluids such as air. Scroll air compressors have fewer moving parts than conventional compressor, which improve reliability. Scroll air compressor integrate all the features as the fourth dynasty compressor. The scroll mechanism ensures silent and low vibration operation, making for a comfortable working environment. Work can be done at ease even during nighttime using scroll air compressor. Our speciality is we can give lifetime warranty for scroll air compressor. Scroll air compressor are 100% oil-free, silent, clean, safety, energy saving, free maintenance, easy to use. It is extensively used in food, medical, dental, laboratory, chemical, electron, automobile, paper making, textile mill and other places where need clean air and environment protection.